Hi there, I'm Dr. Dan from Genius Coaching, and today I'd like to talk to you about meditation. Meditation is one of the most powerful tools for self-development that I've ever come across. With meditation, we have this opportunity where we're basically told, all right, you can do so much to help your state of mind and your emotional peace, and all you have to do is sit there and essentially do nothing other than some concentration exercises. Focus on your breathing, or allow thoughts to come into your mind and be mindful. So this is not a difficult thing, but there are so much benefits to meditating. The way I think of meditation is, I consider it almost like a way of altering your destiny. Because, for example, when we have a certain philosophy, the thoughts that we have, they all developed in our youth, and then they just continue influencing us and essentially controlling us into the future. And this, the way our brains form, almost creates a biological destiny. However, meditation alters the structure of the brain. So say, for example, you're struggling with anxiety, and you've tried everything to change your thoughts, or addictions, and you tried so hard but you just couldn't control it. Or you're depressed and you know that it's all your thinking and that somehow you can change it, but you just haven't been able to. Meditation is something that will gradually change your power level, so your ability to control your emotions a little higher, a little higher, a little higher, just by doing these simple concentration exercises. So you'll gain the ability to conquer problems that before you couldn't do. And once we have that power, then it's all open to us. All these possibilities. More willpower, more ability to control your emotions, the ability to be mindful. Mindfulness is a skill we all need, because everyone has negative thoughts. So we all need to be able to have those thoughts, but not cling to them and give them power. Meditation helps us with all these things. My favorite kind of meditation, which I always recommend, is breath meditation. So with breath meditation, all you need to do is focus on your breathing. So you'll basically have cycles. An inhale and an exhale is one cycle. What you could do is, you can count 10 cycles of breathing. And then once you finish the 10, start another 10, and continue these sets of 10 until you reach your allotted time. So say, for example, you've decided, I want to meditate for 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Set an alarm for those 10 minutes, and then inhale, exhale, one cycle. Inhale, exhale, 2. Count to 10, then do another 10, and continue that until your alarm goes off. And of course, any thoughts that arise in your mind, negative thoughts like, oh, I don't think I'm doing this well, or I can't concentrate, any of these thoughts, just be mindful when that happens. You don't have to be an instant expert at meditation. In fact, you shouldn't be an instant expert. It should take you time to get better. So if you feel like you're not concentrating perfectly, that's to be expected. That's part of this process. And that's the most important time to keep going, when you feel like you're having difficulty, because that's when you're really going to experience the benefits from doing it. So one thing you can also do is, you can use belly breathing. Belly breathing, also known as diaphragmatic breathing, helps you to elongate your breath cycles. So your inhale will be longer, and your exhale will be longer as well. Also, belly breathing is relaxing. So the way you can experience belly breathing is, take a breath in, and then keep exhaling until your lungs are fully empty. And what you're going to notice is, once your lungs are fully empty, your lungs will just automatically refill with air. And you're going to notice that you start drawing in the breath from the diaphragm. That's why it's called diaphragmatic breathing, down here. So this will help you expand the lower area of the lungs. And this will give you a nice full breath, and will give you more time to have the inhale and the exhale and give you time to really focus on your breathing. Focusing on your breathing as if breathing is all that exists. That's what you want. You want to become absorbed in your breathing and just almost become one with it, like nothing else exists, only my breathing. And you'll just keep doing it. And one thing you could also do is you could buy meditation beads. So this is useful. I myself use this all the time. So what you do is, this allows you to keep track of cycles. So for example, suppose you wanted to do 20 cycles of breathing. You'd section off 20 beads, and then after you finish those 20 beads, one bead is inhale, exhale, one bead, inhale, exhale, 2 beads. And this is nice because it gives you an idea of how close you are to finishing. And that's nice. You do that, you'll be relaxed. Just stick with it. So, practice the breath meditation. I know it will give you so much benefits. And let me know how it goes for you. Thank you very much for watching, and enjoy your day.